How you doing? I'm Trent Sanders, and you're tuned into the infamous Living Room Network. Divine powers are always working for us because we're trying to do right. Thank you so much for tuning in, Rim Team. Thank you so much for you new subscribers out there for actually subscribing and actually staying tuned. For those of you who speak up and let your voice be heard, hats off to you. I know some of you left comments yesterday was like, I am money. I am money. You know what? We are money. We are money. We in the money evolution stage right now on our journey, so that's what we're gonna keep it right now. So I want to talk to you about tips to make manifestations faster, and even when it comes down to money, how to attract money faster, folks. Stay tuned. But first of all, I want to let you know, if you need more self-help tips every single day and you want to manifest things super duper fast and you want to learn how to use this law of attraction, just make sure you subscribe down here in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, or if you're on your cell phone, just look below this video beside my name. Make sure you subscribe. New videos every single day. But I have some really powerful stuff I'm about to share with you if you want to make this manifestation thing like go super duper fast. Because I've had experiences where I've witnessed the law of attraction moving like super duper slow. Days I was really down, and I tried to, I assessed all the things that I was going through that made me really down, and I tried to understand what happened there. And then I had days where I was like really upbeat. It's crazy how life works. Those days where you're really sad, it's like everybody else is mad. It's like your reality changes and you start seeing everything else is like not good, and people start, complaining and nagging and stuff. But you gotta think about it. Is it really you? Because like on your days when you're like super duper excited, it's like everybody's happy. Come here, let me get a hug. You're like, yeah. But on that day you was down, you be like, I can't stand them. Then you see everybody looking at you like, why does that happen? That's because it's your perception, folks. You have to keep your perception at a high vibration in order to manifest things faster. So the first tip that I have for you in order to manifest things faster is to keep your energy, folks. This is very important. The human body is like a car, folks, and the gas of the human body is energy. People will suck your energy up. Every time they get a chance, folks, they will try to bring you down to their level, whether you're a guy or a woman, folks. It don't matter. When people see that you are joyous or you are super duper happy, you are super duper excited, they think you're going somewhere, they think you got something going on, they see you watching stuff that we doing here on the infamous Living Room Network, they're like, she doing all that positive stuff. She thinks she all that. I got something for her. Don't let them get to you, folks, because they gonna try to come and get you. And see, like I said in my previous videos, which I highly advise you to subscribe and watch, but people do things unconsciously. In law of attraction, most people that try to harm you or try to do you wrong, they're not doing it because they really are trying to do it. Now, some of them are, don't get me wrong, some people are very spiteful, very mean and ugly. But most of the time, folks, they're doing it because it's an energy thing. They do not understand it. Their spirit is attracted to you, but they don't know no other way about how to go about, loving you. So in return, what they do to you is they hate you. They try to bring you down. As soon as you try to get to the very top of the bucket, they're going to be like, come, get your leg. They're going to grab your leg. Get your leg back down here. Come here. Come, you got to stay down here with us. Try to put you in a headlock. Make sure that you keep your energy. Tip number 2, the next tip that I have for you if you want to make these things manifest faster. Listen close, folks. It's only 3 tips. You got to be really disciplined, folks. In order to get this manifestation to work real fast, one thing you have to do is stay tuned to the infamous Living Room Network, because that's a form of discipline. If you don't show up for class, guess what the teacher do? Tardy, late, not here. It goes to the office, and then once you get so many added up, suspension. Go home. Since you want to be at home, stay at home. So you have to really show yourself approved. That means you have to show up every day. If you have a brand new book and you really want to self-help yourself or whatever, self-improvement, self-development, read that book every day. If you're going to the gym to work out, for instance, if you want to get in shape, go to gym every other day. It's about discipline, folks. You got to get disciplined. If you really want these things to manifest in your life really fast, you have to make sure that you're getting really disciplined in your actions. So you got to cut out time that you used to chill with Ray and Bum Chic and them. You can't hang with Ray and Bum Chic and them no more. They don't want to do nothing but stay on the corner. you know, but you want to go places, you want to be somebody, you want to do something extraordinary, you got goals to reach. You ain't got time to hang around with time wasters. They would love to have you around, you know, because you make them feel special again. You know, you make them feel special again. Like, I get to still hang with them. I get to still hang with them. You know what I'm saying? We over here doing it big. Yeah, we popping bottles. Yeah. Then as soon as you leave, they be like, please come back. Please come back. The third tip, and this is the last one, folks. If this video resonate with you, make sure you get this video a thumbs up. This is the last one, folks. Stay tuned. But the last one is, you got to make sure that you write it. You got to make sure that you write down whatever it is that you want to manifest. You got to put it in plain, put it on tables. You know, like the Bible say, make it plain on tablets. And then you got to speak it into the universe. Whatever you want to manifest, you have to speak it. You have to constantly speak it. You know what I'm saying? That's why in the video that I made yesterday, I said, you know what? You should go out and get you a dry erase board. Go get you a dry erase board. Write on that dry erase board the things you want to manifest, folks. So you have to see it every day so it impregnate your subconscious mind. So speaking it, writing it, and last but not least, folks, this is the law of action. The law of action means that whatever you want to manifest, folks, it's not going to come. It's not going to fall off on a tree. Money's not falling on trees, folks. You know what I mean? You have to go out and make the effort to actually make it manifest. That's the only way God is going to help you, is when he see you get up off the couch from eating potato chips. You know what I mean? The laws of the universe do not work until you work. When you work and put yourself in motion towards it, you don't even got to know where you're going. You could be blindfolded, but at least you walking. At least you walking, because you're gonna bump into the wall. You're going to be like, oh, that's the wall. Okay, I know not to go that way. I'm going to go this way. Oh, stepping on somebody's foot. Oh, sorry. Okay, I know not to go that way. Sir, could you please guide me? And then your angel guys are going to come and hold you on the shoulder and be like, yeah, go this way. Yeah, go that way. You know, and so it's just going to all come together, folks. If you want to manifest things faster, it'll come together if you make sure that you use action. So remember these three tips, folks. Just make sure you save your energy and keep your energy from energy stealers. Make sure you get very, very disciplined. You know, watch what you're doing. Always make sure you're doing the right things at the right time, because you need to focus on your goal. And last but not least, speak it, write it, and act on it. Speak it, write it, and act on it. If you do these things, folks, you will be successful. You will manifest things super duper fast. Oh my God, thank you so much for tuning in, folks. I'm Trent Anderson of the infamous Living Room Network. So much energy here, folks. So much energy. Come on, give me a thumbs up, folks. Thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Let's get this energy resonating here on the infamous Living Room Network, because that's how we do. Like minds, think alike. In the meantime, folks, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.